Panggezhuang is located on the alluvial plain of the Yongding River, where the sandy loam soil is conducive to sugar accumulation in watermelons. As early as the Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties, watermelons from this area were already tribute items. In recent years, Panggezhuang has upgraded its industry by cultivating small watermelons. Let's explore the development path of this watermelon town. The father and son duo, Song Baosan and Song Xiaotang, who run Laosong Melon Garden, are witnesses to the development of watermelon cultivation in Dashan.
西瓜呀，7年植物8年瓜，什么8年瓜呀？好比今年的算头1年、1年、2年、3年，推8年栽种，不的话它死秧，它不是说小时候就死，等这瓜也要长盖了，就扑面蔫点了。
In the past, watermelon yields were very low due to fusarium wilt. In the early 1990s, Song Baosan, leveraging his planting experience and collaborating with experts, finally solved this problem. The yield of Dashan watermelons began to soar, and in 1995, Panggezhuang was awarded the title of China's Watermelon Town by the Ministry of Agriculture. In the late 1990s, small watermelons began experimental cultivation in the Dashan area.
一开始我也不接受，但是当我们打开以后一吃啊，真好，皮薄，水分大，甜度高。那我们就从99年、2000年，逐步的就是扩大我们的这种植面积。
The Fruit Eco Farm was established in 2003, with the entire farm adopting vertical cultivation of small watermelons.
当时我们小型西瓜的种植面积，当时不足10%，反过来到现在，我们小型西瓜种植面积达到了99%。
The watermelon yield in Panggezhuang has increased significantly year after year, surpassing 45,130 tons in 2023, with annual sales exceeding 3.5 billion yuan. The substantial increase in watermelon production is inseparable from modern agricultural technology. Combining watermelon seedling cultivation with technology is one of the important means to improve the quality and efficiency of the watermelon industry. After 1996, farmers adopted grafting techniques to solve growth obstacles caused by the continuous planting of watermelons for a long time and further increase yields.
嫁接好的西瓜苗呢，我们要让它长出4个叶1个芯儿，这样呢，差不多20天左右吧就可以出苗了。就是从嫁接到出苗，差不多20天左右，就可以发到农户手里，让他们栽种起来。
Panggezhuang has successively built 13 centralized watermelon seedling nurseries, producing nearly 100 million grafted seedlings annually. These nurseries meet the production needs of local farmers and ensure uniform standards and quality of the seedlings.
我们设施大棚，设施比较高科技吧，可以降低这个病虫害的发生，然后可以更好的控温控湿。你要降温的话，就是风机湿帘、暖气，冬天育苗加温用的，然后上面还有风口，可以降低它的湿度。最上面还卷了那个棉被。
With the development and promotion of agricultural machinery technology, watermelon cultivation is transitioning from manual to mechanized production.
原来完全是靠人工，我们现在最累、最耗人工的这些部分的工作，采用了我们机械化的这种设备设施，包括你看起垄覆膜机、开沟机、施肥机，包括这个定植机。我觉得这个农业的发展完全靠我们过去那种脸朝黄土背朝天，完全是不行的。说第一，怎么样提高我们的产品品质；第二，怎么样提高我们的附加值。
Today, Dashan's watermelon cultivation methods and technologies have been promoted to surrounding provinces and cities. This has created a sense of urgency among Dashan's watermelon farmers, who are continually exploring new ways to cultivate even better watermelons.
我们打造一些差异化和个性化的产品，来提高它的附加值，包括我们像黄皮的、黄瓤的、黑皮的、红瓤的等等这些。
Panggezhuang continues to promote the integration of agriculture and tourism. By organizing events such as the annual Dashan Watermelon Festival and the National Watermelon Competition, the town focuses on developing tourism and leisure industries that encompass agricultural production and rural life experiences. The town receives approximately 1.1 million visitors annually, generating about 156 million yuan in tourism revenue. Today, Panggezhuang watermelons are continuously improving in quality through technological innovations. By adopting new market expansion strategies, they are contributing to the comprehensive revitalization of modern Chinese agriculture.